Hi, this is Jimit Shah and welcome to Jim's Automation. So today we will understand how you can get the ping command of your PLC and laptop with the help of Ethernet cable. Please note we have already understood in our previous classes that how you can set the IP address of your PLC, how you can set the IP address of your laptop. Now it is a time that how you can check that your PLC and laptop is communicating with each other or not, right? So this is very important. So for that, of course, you need to connect the Ethernet cable. So if you see, this is the Ethernet cable I have. Okay, this is the Ethernet cable. So one end I'm going to connect with my PLC over here. This is the one end I'm connecting. If you see, okay, so I'm connecting this and this another end I can connect with my laptop. Okay, please note, if you have a latest laptop, then you must not have this direct port over here. So what you can do, you can simply use Ethernet to USB converter. Okay, so you can use Ethernet to USB converter. Now what I can do, I can uh, go to run, because I have already set my IP address of my PLC and my laptop. Okay, what is my PLC IP address? It is 10.10.10.66, right? And what is my laptop IP address? Is 10.10.10.65. So now from laptop, I am going to address this PLC IP address, that whether it is communicating or not. So for that, what I need to do, I can simply go to run. You can simply press Windows R or go to run, and then here you need to write a command called ping, P-I-N-G. So I'm writing this P-I-N-G, okay, P-I-N-G, then space, then IP address of your PLC. What is the IP address? It is 10.10.10.66, right? And space minus T. If you not write minus T, then it will give you just 4 response and it will shut down. But we want to see real time continuous ping, we want to see continuous reply, then that is why I'm writing minus T over here. So what is the command? Write ping, then space, then IP address of my PLC, and then space minus T. And then if you press on OK, so one command prompt will open, and can you see my IP address is now reachable. I'm getting a reply from 10.10.10.66. Why? Because my laptop and PLC IP address are in the same series, and we have connected our Ethernet cable. Okay, now if you observe, as let me show you once again, this is the reply I am getting over here. Okay, now if I'll remove this, and then if you see, we have disconnected our Ethernet cable, so reply timeout, request timeout is coming over here. Why? Because your communication is broken. Correct, your IP address is, even though in the same series, you have disconnected this with your laptop, so my communication is broken, so my PLC and laptop is now not communicating with each other. So once again, what I can do, I simply connect my Ethernet port over here, and then I'll wait for some time. Can you see, now I am getting reply once again. So this is how you can connect your laptop and your PLC. Please note, this is very important before you download the program. Okay, you need to have a good healthy communication between PLC and laptop. So this is the basic starting process you need to follow before you jump to the programming part. Then after, you can make a program and you can connect with the help of this softwares. That's a different part, but you must have a ping command from your PLC to laptop, right? So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next class. Thank you.